So it's a nice morning today, quite cold, and I'm here to talk to you about something very important. Next slide, please. What are you busy doing? Okay, so members, this is the topic for the day. What are you busy doing today? Okay, next slide. So, can somebody tell me what's the difference between both of this? It's a feather and an arrow. Somebody can unmute yourself and just quickly say, I'll just take two answers. Very quickly.
A feather with a direction is, bang on, can hit the bullseye.
Okay, anyone else?
Pointedness and direction.
Okay, thank you guys. So Gaurav has hit the nail at the head. A feather flows with the wind. Okay, a feather flows with the wind. An arrow hits the target because it has a force, it has a goal, and it has a motto where it has to reach. So the question today is, are you handling your business like a feather or an arrow? Okay. So do you have a goal, right? So now we understand there is a feather moves a lot. Okay. So there's a lot of action, but there are no results. An arrow, there is an action at a stipulated result with a stipulated result. So I'm going to share a story with you. So this is about a story which rather a case study of Harvard Business School. Okay, in 1979, they took the entire batch of Harvard and they asked people that, do you have a goal? Okay, next. So 84% of the people or of the students said that they had no goals at all. Okay, they were just there, they were at the school, they were studying, and they were taking life as it is. Next, 13% said they had some goals, but they were not written down. They had some goals in life, but they had not written it down. Next, and 3% said that they had goals, they had written it down, and they have a specific plan of action. Okay, friends, so there are these three types of people. Next. Okay. So now in 1989, they followed the exact same batch of people. Okay, they followed the exact same batch of students. And these were some of the results. Next. So if 84% of the people did X amount of business, the 13%, those who had some goals, did 2 times the business that these 84% of the people were doing. Okay. But what's startling is that the 3% of the people who are left out, like who had goals and who had plan of action, they did 10 times the amount of business. Hear me out. They did 10 times the amount of business that the rest 97% put together. Just imagine the 97% of the people put together 10 times that these 3% of the people were doing. Okay. So are you relating this to Mukesh Ambani or do you want to relate it to yourself? Okay. The ball is in your court. Next. So there's a video time. So I would like to, tell all of you that there is a book called The One Thing by Gary Keller. And this is basically from that book. Can you play the video, Rohit? So this is a small domino, okay? A domino is a small piece of wood, okay? So a small domino, one thing can change your life. And that is what this basically says. So the smallest domino in that video was 5 mm. The smallest domino in that video was 5 mm. And can you imagine what was the size of the biggest domino? Anyone on the chat box? It says that you can do one action of yours can change your life. Okay. That one action of yours can change your life. And what happens is after you take that one action, there is a subsequent action to that. There's a subsequent reaction to that. And that is in your control. So what you have to do is take the biggest target that you have, that one target which will change your business. You need to decide on that one thing that will change the level of your business and do it. Focus on that only. Okay. So in this picture, the biggest domino was of 1 meter, that is 100 centimeters or 1000 millimeters. And the smallest domino was 5 millimeter. Can you imagine? So friends, that is the power of one. Coming back to the slide, please, Rohit. So I'll share a small story with you about my personal observation or my story in BNI. So when I joined BNI, that was around 5.5 years ago, and I used to ask for cakes. Like, I want to send cakes to friends. I want to send cakes to your contacts, and I used to get that same orders. One cake, just one cake. एक cake उधर भेज दे, एक cake मेरे को भेज दे. But then someone told me through a training that think bigger. Don't think small. Think big. That is when I started asking for cinema halls. Okay, so my first break was at Mukti World. No, friends, it was not Inox. My first cinema hall was Mukti World. And from there, I realized that this is a big market. Okay, this is a big market. And then I started asking for bigger markets like Inox, like PVR. So today we are doing business with Inox, with PVR, with Mirage Cinemas, with Carnival Cinemas. Okay, so I can dare say that most of the cinema halls are covered by my organization. Now, what is the next step? The next step, what I have identified is public parks. So right now we are moving over, we are going into Science City. And that is that one thing, once I get this contract of Science City, I can pitch further to zoos, to Eco Park, to Nico Park, So that is the power of one. You need to identify what is that one thing which will change the course of your business. And my friends, ask that in BNI and you will get it. That is what I have learned in my last 5.5 years. So I will leave you with just 4 questions. What is your business revenue goal of 2021? Focus on that. And what is that one thing that has the power to increase your business to that level? You need to focus on that. And since, friends, we are in BNI, I will also ask you to focus on what is that one BNI revenue goal you want to achieve in 2021? And what is that one thing that has the power to increase your business, through BNI? Some people might say, I want visibility. So fine, go ahead, take a role in the LT, take a role in the extended LT. Just bombard yourself. Become a great coordinator. Let people understand what you are made of, So that is what you have to do. What is that one thing which will, populate you? For example, you think that, let's say for Mohit or people like Prakash Kantilal, they understand that, one-to-ones are very important for me. The moment I build relation, the moment I build trust, people will come back to me for their investments or for their printing. And they're doing just that. And that is how they're growing. So friends, you need to understand what is that one thing that you need to do. Next slide, please. And what are you busy in? Even ants are busy all day. Remember that. Even ants are busy all day. But the question is, what are you doing that is keeping you busy? Thank you, friends. Signing off, Rahul Agarwal. Over to Vikas.